Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reduce Windows Defender max CPU usage in Windows 10. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy first command from description and paste it into PowerShell window. Default value is 50. Copy second command from description and paste it into PowerShell window. You can change value 5 to 100. Copy command 1 from description and paste it into PowerShell window. Max CPU usage is reduced. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.